Conference President Farooq Abdullah, where Omar Abdullah was also present. The meeting was to discuss a potential Congress National Conference alliance for upcoming assembly polls in Jammu and Kashmir. Shortly after the meeting, Farooq Abdullah said that the alliance is on track.
कार्डियल एटमॉस्फेयर में मुलाकात हुई और जो अलायंस है वो ऑन ट्रैक है और इंशाल्लाह ये बिल्कुल अच्छी तरह से अलायंस चलेगी।
सीट्स का क्या हुआ है?
सीट्स का भी बहुत अच्छा अरेंजमेंट
फाइनल हुआ है अलायंस आपने?
जी हाँ, फाइनल हो गया है। आज शाम को उस पर दस्तखत हो जाएंगे और ये पूरे 90 सीट्स पे अलायंस।
Now, Rahul Gandhi took the opportunity of his Srinagar visit to launch a renewed attack on Prime Minister Modi. Addressing Congress party workers, Rahul said that the INDI has dented Narendra Modi's confidence. Listen in.
चुनाव में नरेंद्र मोदी जी की कॉन्फिडेंस को इंडिया गठबंधन ने खत्म कर दिया। आपने देखा होगा जो पहले नरेंद्र मोदी जी छाती फैला के आते थे, याद है आपको? यूं आते थे, अब यूं आते हैं।
Meanwhile, the Samajwadi Party has echoed statements made by Rahul Gandhi asserting that RSS is no longer supporting the BJP as strongly as it once did. The party's statement also emphasizes the growing strength of INDI. Listen in.
निश्चित तौर पे बीजेपी हो, नरेंद्र मोदी हो, आरएसएस हो, सबका कॉन्फिडेंस लो हो गया, डाउन हो गया। जो आरएसएस मोदी जी के साथ सुर में सुर मिलाती थी, वो आरएसएस अब मोदी से सवाल पूछती है। मोदी के द्वारा दिए गए सिद्धांतों का, मोदी के द्वारा दिए गए तमाम सारे विजनों को आरएसएस डिस्ट्रॉय कर देती, खत्म कर देती। जब आरएसएस का साथ छूट गया तो उनका जो कॉन्फिडेंस है वो स्लो हो गया है। और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात कि नरेंद्र मोदी लगातार बैक टू बैक अपने तमाम सारे जो निर्णय उन्होंने लिए उनको बैक करना पड़ा है। ये तय करता है कि इंडिया अलायंस मजबूत है।
BJP meanwhile has also trained guns at the Congress party over its alliance with National Conference. BJP has asked Congress to clear its stand on 370, the restoration of which has been promised by National Conference in its manifesto. Not just this, the NC manifesto also calls for holding talks with Pakistan. BJP is now seeking Congress's clarification on these two stands taken by the National Conference.
राहुल गांधी जी के अंदर में सोच है वहाँ के लोगों को भड़काना और फिर से ये कहना उनके अंदर है कि हम 370 लाएंगे, लेकिन देश इसे स्वीकार नहीं करेगा क्योंकि राहुल गांधी फ्रस्ट्रेशन में है, अति पिछड़ा, ये कहते कहते राजनीतिक भाषा बोलते हैं लेकिन अपनी बात नहीं बता पाते।
Some people like to be legends in their own mind and they believe that, this is the great castles we are building. Prime Minister Modi is the Prime Minister of the country. The people have given the NDA a clear majority to serve the people of India. This is the third time that the government has come, and the government will continue to serve the people of India, irrespective what political leaders on the other side of the spectrum would be giving credit to themselves for things that have not happened.
So you heard reactions coming in from the NC patron, from Rahul Gandhi and the BJP as well. NC patron Farooq Abdullah looks extremely happy with the way the talks went. He says talks happened on the seat sharing as well, and the alliance is on track. Meanwhile, the BJP is asking Congress to clarify its stand on Article 370 and talks with Pakistan. Those are two demands, rather promises made by the NC in its manifesto. We have Yavar joining us on the broadcast with more details. Yavar, the meeting is over. NC looks happy. Rahul Gandhi, in a sense, Congress also looks happy with the way the talks went on alliance. But the BJP is asking Congress party some very pertinent questions and putting the Congress party in a tough spot by asking it to clarify what the Congress party stand is on 370 and talks with Pakistan.
Well, exactly. There's a fresh controversy that has erupted after the European alliance has been done between the National Conference Congress and the CPF has also been taken on the cards. Now the BJP has questioned the Congress stand on the Article 370 and many of the things that are published and written in the manifesto of the National Conference. One among them is the dialogue initiated with the Pakistan. And the BJP has to say that what the Congress has their own stand on the Article 370 and what the National Conference has to say, the restore of the autonomy. In fact, the lot of the speculation are roaming around that it looks like that the PDP will be also on the cards, but it has been put on an end. When yesterday the Farooq said that there has been the alliance done between the Congress and National Conference and the CPI, and that's the MOI Tariq. So somehow this is being witnessed as a major political development in the Kashmir Valley. However, this has been a stroke of fresh controversy as the BJP has continuously asking Congress to clarify their stand on the Article 370 and the restoration of autonomy that the Congress has initiated in their manifesto, and so as the initiative of the talks with the Pakistan. So many of the political development has been coming in, and in fact, Rahul Gandhi also as Prime Minister from the Shri,
All right,
saying
yeah,
that
but thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you. With that, we are slipping into a very short break. News and updates will continue.